What's up, everybody? Jason here at CartSmart TV. Today I'm going to give you my opinion on the Axis EV made by Hyson. So the first thing we're going to do is what you obviously see when you first look at one of these golf carts is the seats. They are pretty doggone nice. Very comfortable, have great cushion in them. They have a similar, I'd say almost the same, probably are the same. I would have to swap them out, but for like club car precedents, they have these same type of seat backs. But they're nice. Sorry about the light there, guys. That morning sun coming in here on me. So you get a little bit better look at them here on the rear with the light in our back. They look really, really nice. And then they also come, it comes already with the full rear seat kit. This customer has put a golf bag attachment because he likes to play golf. They have a long top already on them. And then you can see the struts are tubed, which is a really, really good thing. It's very, very structurally sound. Runs from the front to the back tubed like that. These will be very capable of putting any kind of accessory on, speakers, anything like that. You come with side mirrors on them. All this comes as it is. Alright, so we're going to flip the seat up here on the front. And then you have 4 12-volt AGM auto glass mat batteries. Gel, basically, instead of, water. Pretty decent setup. Has tow run switch just like you would see on your normal golf carts that have these particular systems in them. This comes factory with your charging ports, cell phone, rangefinder, whatever have you. You have a built-in speedometer and a built-in battery gauge. It's pretty wild. These carts come with a smart charger that you can leave plugged in all the time because it will have a maintain mode built into it. They come standard with wheels and tires that are already pretty doggone nice. I kind of like these matte style myself here. Some really nice tires that will go with, let's say, like golf course setting or gated community living, beach living. You get brush guard on the front of it. Really nice set of lights. Let me cut these on. Really, really nice set of LEDs there, front and rears. The rears have little red dots on the outside of it, which is pretty cool. And then you'll have your turn signal in there on the center, which is really nice as well. And that leads us to this being already street legal with your turn signal, horn, high beam, low beam. It's ready to register and get on the road. And so that takes us to the underneath of the golf cart. Let's see what we can see under here. And so it's really set up sort of like your precedent. It's pretty cool that they put your serial tag here as well. That's really cool. And as you can see right there, pretty much made in Vietnam. It may be assembled here in the USA, though it does not say that, but it could be assembled here in the USA. But that doesn't mean anything. Also have it tagged there on the side as well. That's pretty nice. But as you can see, this frame is aluminum all the way to the front bumper, it looks like. Let's slide to the middle of the cart and see what it looks like underneath here. Okay, so yeah, they're all the way to the back. Aluminum frame all the way to the back. That's really nice. I see one thing that I don't like, right here where your electronics for your throttle sensor plug in, its wire just dangles there. That's not cool, but I mean, it is something that you could go in and take care of. You could possibly put a cover over this here. You just notch out for your your brake cable adjustment rod there, and then probably put a couple of screws here and a couple of screws there, and it covers it up, which would probably be a good thing. That's really the only downfall I see there. It's got a really nice set of heavy-duty springs on it already. Looks like it's got a pretty good healthy rear end in it as well. That's a nice thing to have. Which will bring us to our electronics. So let's see what we have. Alright, so we have an Advanced Motor brand in here, which is a really good brand as well. We have what looks like a club car style solenoid. Very, very well built solenoids as well. And we have, it looks to be a Curtis controller, but it does not say actually. But I expect that's probably the case here. Alright, so now that we've seen what makes a golf cart work, here it's going to be probably hard to see. So right there is your voltage reducer for all the accessories that run on the golf cart, like your lights, horns, signals, anything such as a radio. This is where you would tap into when you would add anything that needs a 12 volt source, because that converts from 48 volts down to 12 so that it doesn't burn up any of your accessories. Even the steering wheel comes already upgraded to something that you could buy for any of the other golf carts and put on. It already comes with it. And even the body on it don't look half bad at all. I like how they've got the little dips right here, and then a little bit of a scoop, and then some vents. You know, it has some really close similarities to the Club Car Precedent, for the price point and for the way this thing runs. And I don't have enough room even here in my area to let it actually stretch out and get as fast as it can go, but I have got it to reach 30 miles an hour in a very short distance, maybe like 400 yards, 500 yards is what I got across here that I run golf carts when I'm testing them. This cart is here for a repair issue, and so we're going to follow up with another video to show you guys what the problem is, so stay tuned for that. If I had to guess, I feel like the club car parts would probably fix any issue you would have with this golf cart as well, because it's so identically close into the way they're set up. Alright guys, be on the lookout for a comparison video between the Axis EV and a Club Car Precedent, because we want to show you guys the difference between both carts. Alright guys, so there's my opinion. This is not a review. It is not any way an endorsement to the company or the golf cart, but this is the first opportunity I've got to see one. Again, thank you for watching. We hope this video will help you guys out. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment or dig into the channel there and find our phone number and give us a call about them. Stay tuned guys. We've got more videos coming out all the time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share all these videos. Hit that bell for any notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Get us on up there. We do everything we can to try to help you DIY guys out. Have a blessed day. God bless you all. We're out.